Take it to the streets. 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 We are now ready to begin this episode. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, once again for viewing your boy, the Doordash Revolution. We want to discuss in today's topic, have you ever had any app issues, app crashes, app freezing, misorders on your Grubhub app? In the middle of a delivery, you can't complete the order. Your location is in the wrong spot. You're not able to complete the delivery. And drop-off locations, not being able to mark the delivery, and all of that. All of these app issues and problems that we have on the Grubhub app, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to view those issues with you today, discuss those issues with you today, hit you with a step-by-step, tutorial on how to fix that problem fast. All right, to no further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. How to troubleshoot Grubhub for drivers app issues. Complete step-by-step tutorial. I will go over a few points here, ladies and gentlemen, that may concern beginning drivers, new drivers that's on the Grubhub platform. Okay, let's get started with it right now. Connection issues. All right. With connection issues, ladies and gentlemen, you make sure that your low power mode is off. Turn that off. Check your data plan and close any apps running in the background. That includes social media apps, streaming apps, other last mile logistic apps, ladies and gentlemen. You want to make sure they're not running in the background. You want to make sure you want to close those apps out so you won't have any connection issues. Toggling back and forth the unavailable, or maybe to delete the app to reinstall, which means uninstalling the app and then reinstalling the app. And after you do that process, you got to make sure that you say yes to all the permissions, allowing the app to use its location on Grubhub so you can receive orders and you can be able to pick up and drop off and complete your orders. If your device is offline, ladies and gentlemen, are trying to connect to the app, the connectivity bar will appear within the app. App crashes or app crashing or freezing. Check for app updates, ladies and gentlemen. Try force closing the app or uninstall and reinstall the app when you have problems with your app crashing or your app freezing. If you're not receiving order notification, make sure that your do not disturb button is turned off. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned off and your cellular data is enabled. Sometimes it can be disabled, and you can check through your settings to make sure that it's enabled. Toggle the on and off switch for airplane mode. Toggle it on, then toggle it back off so you can be back online. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to go to our Grubhub app right quick. And as we viewing this with you, you're going to see unavailable right there. So what you want to do, you want to toggle that unavailable to taking offers and toggle it back like that there. Make sure that you're online. Check your map, see if your map is updated and all of that. And you will know that, ladies and gentlemen, by, spreading it open like this here, looking at the live data that is on your map. Okay? So, with that being said, we would like to also share with you about the following steps to try to get your app up and running again. Number one, make sure that there are not any updates available. You go to your Google Play Store, make sure that you don't see any updates need to be updated for your Grubhub app. You can also, what we talked about earlier, uninstall, reinstall your app. Okay. Hit restart your phone to reboot the process for any updates that needs to be implemented on your app for your app to have better functionality. Try force closing the app and reopen it to have better functionality, to get back online so you can receive orders, so you won't be having miss orders and you hit the button and then your app is freezing while you're trying to hit the button, and then Grubhub letting you know you done missed 3 times and now we're getting ready to turn you off your block. These are issues that Grubhub drivers are having. These are the troubleshooting techniques that you need to use to fix that problem quickly. And if that don't work, then you have to call your driver care specialist so they can assist and make sure that you are online on their end of the fence as well as you online on your end of the fence, including refreshing your screen and doing these following steps that we just discussed with you. All right. Why does my Grubhub app keep saying connection error? I'm going to share 3 points that could be the potential reason why your Grubhub app keeps saying connection error. Low power mode can lead to connection issues. Grubhub for Driver app is running in the background. Talking on the phone or streaming apps. Check with your plan to see if this applies to you. I had it happen so many times when I can be talking to different drivers for a long period of time while I'm on the active delivery, whether it's Grubhub, whether it's Doordash or Deliver That, or any other apps that I'm using. And all of a sudden, I have what you call an overload causing these connectivity issues. The app crashing. I'm not receiving orders. I'm missing deliveries due to that. I'm on the phone talking while I'm on the active delivery, or I have multiple apps in the background doing active delivery. So once I eliminate the process of that problem, ladies and gentlemen, it should be able to rectify the discrepancy where you can continue on receiving orders. So running multiple apps on your phone. Let's talk about that. It's advised that for optimal performance, you close all your apps running in the background, specifically streaming and social media apps, while using the Grubhub for Driver app, as not to overload your phone. So, ladies and gentlemen, these steps should be able to help you fix your problem fast when you are offline, when your app crash or freezing, you have no connectivity at all, which means you have issues, no functionality with your phone. All right, missing job assignments on your Grubhub app. Follow these instructions here step by step. And if that don't work, like I said, you go ahead and you call your driver care specialist to make sure that you're online on their side of the fence and you online on your side of the fence, to where they can update the phone, to where you'll be able to start receiving orders expeditiously. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and we will see you again in the next video, where we will do a breakdown of your phone app. I probably will do some screenshots and show you those screenshots on how to uninstall, reinstall, delete your app, restart your phone, toggle your on and off airplane mode switch on Android phone for Android phone users. Peace, take care, ladies and gentlemen. To no further ado, we'll see you in the next video. Take it to the streets. 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 to the streets. Take it to the streets. Take it to the streets.